First of all, this is a very good and timely question. It is important and necessary to focus on contributions made by women in our society because women are part of society and their gifts and assistance are contributing factors in all walks of life. When I look at all of the places where women work and serve, to name a few, the home, the church, volunteer services, the workplace, such as schools, industry, government, including the armed forces today, the law firms, etc., I challenge you to think with me about how society would be without the many gifts women contribute in all of these places. A quote from the National Women's History Project is as follows: recognizing the achievements of women in all facets of life, science, community, government, literature, art, medicine, sports, has a huge impact on the development of self-respect and new opportunities for girls and young women, unquote. The time is past due to focus on contributions made by women in our society. It is important and absolutely necessary because of the responsibilities that women carry. The contributions of women are linked to their children's educational attainment and success. Women work to improve the lives of others and the possibilities of overpopulation. Women teach to improve the health of their children and others. The contributions of women in the home, working with their children, can have a rippling effect from the home to the community, the church, the school, and to society. History will certainly tell the story. When girls know of women's achievements, it expands their sense of what is possible for all of us. Knowledge of women's strengths and contributions build respect and nourishes self-esteem. Thank you. I would just like to say I believe that women's contributions and accomplishments are important and very valuable to the development and expansion of ideas, thoughts, and dreams which will become reality in this society. Thank you.